Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to unfollow someone directly from your following list on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. If you've noticed changes with the new update, don't worry, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and settings. Once you're on your homepage, look at the left-hand side menu. Find where it says Profile and click it. This will take you to your X profile page where you can see your posts, followers, and the list of people you're following. Now, click on the Following tab at the top. This tab shows everyone you currently follow on X. From here, you can scroll through the list to find the account you want to unfollow. If you prefer, you can also open your main feed and find a recent post from that account instead. When you see a post or account you'd like to unfollow, hover your cursor over the account name. You'll notice the following button next to their profile picture. This button indicates that you're currently following that account. Next, click on the following button. It will instantly change to unfollow. This means you've successfully removed that account from your following list. If you ever change your mind, you can follow them again the same way by clicking on the follow button once more. That's all it takes to manage your following list on the new X Web update. The steps are quick, and you can repeat them anytime to tidy up your feed or curate your timeline to match your interests. Staying updated with changes like this helps you keep control over what you see and who you follow on X. Thanks for watching.